And voila, c'est reparti. I'm leaving this place. It was super nice. And now let's go for the summit, 4,700 meters. Allez, let's go. And now into the semi-wild. There is sun, there is rain, and there is snow. I don't understand this place, but it's beautiful. Oh, la, 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 la. So a guy just told me that the road for the next 10 kilometers is not rideable because there is snow, but I will see. I will not go backwards. It's hard, it's hard. There is a rule of thumb which says that at every 1,000 meters you lose 10% of oxygen. So it means that the oxygen is 2 times less present. So when I'm breathing 2 times less oxygen. But it's still okay, it's just, yeah.